the finest furniture destination of Tamil Nadu, Newman's Furniture and Homestyle, Coimbatore.
भारत माता के भारत माता के
जय।
We take great pride in the culture of Tamil Nadu. Tamil is the oldest language in the world. Tamil festivals are marked globally. Across India, we have decided to allow technical and medical education in the local language. Countless youth will benefit from this decision. Friends, NDA's approach is governance with compassion. When crores of bank accounts were opened, who gained the most? The poor. When India achieved near total sanitation coverage, who got a life of dignity? The poor. Who benefit the most from the world's largest healthcare program in the world, Ayushman Bharat? The poor. When stent and knee replacement became cheap, who does it help? The poor. When in Coimbatore, I have to talk about the MSME sector. Their role in building an Atmanirbhar Bharat is very valuable. I want to specially applaud MSME sector of Coimbatore for creating wealth and adding value. The government of India had taken many measures to help MSMEs. One example is Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme. In the post-COVID period, this scheme is important for MSMEs. MSMEs in Tamil Nadu have benefited greatly under this scheme. Almost 14,000 crore rupees have been sanctioned for 3.5 lakhs MSMEs across the Tamil Nadu. In Coimbatore district, almost 25,000 small industrial units have benefited from this scheme. Congress was in center for many years. Yet, these parties were not bothered about the demands of the Devendra Kulla Vellalar community. It was the AIDMK government in Tamil Nadu and the BJP-led NDA government at the center that accepted their long-standing demand to be known as Devendra Kulla Vellalar. Today, the nation is seeing two distinct styles of politics. The opposition's misgovernance with corruption and NDA's governance with compassion. Both the methods are very different. For the opposition, what matters is personal gains. In the same way, it has been our honor to work for the small farmers of India. In the past 7 years, our efforts for the small farmers are aimed at giving them a life of prosperity and dignity. From Kisan credit cards to soil health cards, from e-NAM to an effective crop insurance scheme, we want to bring a paradigm shift in the agriculture sector. We do not want our small farmer to be dependent on anyone or feel suffocated due to middlemen. The PM Kisan scheme just completed 2 years yesterday. Even 11 crore farmers have gained from this scheme. For many years, the farmers of India demanded MSP rise. It was our government that had the opportunity to bring a holistic MSP rise. In the last 6 years, MSP for copra had nearly doubled. We will keep working for this associated with their sector. Last year, the definition of MSME was changed, making it more inclusive and broad-based. I fully understand that our MSMEs need greater help for grievance redressal and finding new opportunities. For that, especially dedicated portal called Champions was launched to provide the necessary hand-holding. The announcement in this budget include MSME specific reforms for faster resolution of cases. Custom duties were reduced on various steel products. Exemption to steel scrap duty has been granted till 31st March 2022. Duties were raised on steel screw plastic builder, wear and prawn feed. Today, the nation is seeing two distinct styles of politics. The opposition's misgovernance with corruption and NDA's governance with compassion. Both the methods are very different. For the opposition, what matters is personal gains. They want to capture power to fill their pockets. DMK and Congress meetings are like corruption hackathons. Their leaders sit and brainstorm how to loot. Those who give most innovative ways are given posts and ministries. The opposition style of politics is based on bullying and harassing. Whenever DMK comes to power, they promote a strongman culture. In every district, they have anti-social elements who trouble innocent citizens. Party cadres leave no chance to get extortion money. Do you know who suffers the most in such a culture? It is the women of Tamil Nadu. Entire Tamil Nadu knows how DMK treated Amma Jayalalitha ji. I do not need to repeat it. This shows their attitude to women. Sadly, leaders who troubled Jayalalitha ji have been rewarded by DMK and Congress. Can you ever forget the long power cuts during the DMK regime? Other development needs of Tamil Nadu have also been addressed. Over 12 lakh houses have been sanctioned to Tamil Nadu alone under the PM Awas Yojana. Tamil Nadu's urban areas are rapidly growing. Many cities in Tamil Nadu come under the Smart Cities program. Tamil Nadu has gained from the Jal Jeevan Mission too. Since the Jal Jeevan Mission began, over 14 lakh rural households got tap water connection. The NDA stands for regional aspiration and national progress. The development works launched today must be seen in that spirit. Once again, congratulations to the people of Tamil Nadu for the works inaugurated. Thank you. Thank you very much. Vanakkam. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki.
जय
Bharat Mata Ki.
जय
Bharat Mata Ki.
जय
Vanakkam.